Ever wondered what actually happens when you delete a photo from your phone? Despite what it feels like, that photo is usually not gone at all. Today on Knowledge Hub, we're breaking down what really happens inside your smartphone the moment you hit delete. When you take a photo, it's stored as digital data, made up of millions of bits written into flash memory cells, specifically NAND flash storage. Each photo is saved as a file, and the operating system keeps a detailed map called a file system that tracks where every piece of that photo lives on the storage chip. When you tap delete, your phone does not immediately erase those bits. Instead, the operating system simply removes the photo's entry from the file system index and marks that storage space is free to use. The actual image data often remains physically untouched in memory. This is done because erasing flash memory is slow, energy-intensive, and causes wear to the storage cells, so phones avoid erasing data unless they really have to. That's also why most phones move deleted photos into a recently deleted or trash folder first, where the file is still fully intact and can be instantly restored. Even after you empty that folder, the data usually still exists until new photos, apps, or system updates overwrite the same memory blocks. Until that overwrite happens, data recovery tools can scan the raw memory, detect leftover data patterns, and sometimes reconstruct the original photo. Modern phones also use leveling, a technique where data is spread evenly across storage to extend lifespan, which means deleted data can survive even longer, because new files may be written elsewhere. Encryption adds another critical layer. Today's smartphones encrypt storage by default, meaning every photo is protected by cryptographic keys stored securely in hardware. When a photo is deleted, the system may destroy the key reference rather than the data itself, making recovery extremely difficult even if the raw bits still exist. Cloud services complicate things even more. Deleting a photo on your phone doesn't always delete copies already sent to cloud backups, shared albums, or older device snapshots, which is why photos sometimes reappear after restoring a phone or logging into a new one. Secure erase and factory resets work differently. Instead of trying to erase every bit, the phone invalidates encryption keys for the entire storage, instantly making all data unreadable, which is far faster and more secure. But even then, achieving absolute physical erasure is nearly impossible without destroying the storage chip itself. So the next time you delete a photo and assume it's instantly gone forever, remember that deletion is usually about hiding and dereferencing data, not destroying it. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into how your phone really handles your data, make sure you subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more fascinating explanations of the technology you use every day. And as always, stay curious.